Welcome back to Cake and Crochet. This video is going to show you how to work in the third loop of half double crochet. So this one really only works if you're working in the round, because the third loop is on the back side. If I was working back and forth, then that would be in the front, and that wouldn't work so well. So I'm working in the round with half double crochet, and these are just regular half double crochet stitches. And so before I do this, I just want you to look at the stitches. So normally we've got the 2 loops on the top, right? That's normal. But then for half double crochet, you have this loop right here. So this is what we call the third loop for half double crochet. So you've got these 2 top loops and this third loop. So when I say work into the third loop, that's the one I mean. And this creates a texture similar to doing back post crochet stitches, because it pushes the top V towards the front of the work. So you'll yarn over just like normal, and then in the next stitch, you're not going to go in either of those top stitches, top loops. You're going to go in the third loop on the back. Then you'll yarn over, and pull up a loop, and finish your half double crochet normally. So let's do that again. We'll yarn over, not the top 2, not these 2 loops, but the third one on the back. And if you do more than one row of this at a time, you'll find that it actually kind of wants you to do that, because these are already getting pushed down, so this one kind of tries to follow, and that makes it really easy to find that third loop on the back. So this is half double crochet in the third loop. You skip the top 2, do that third loop right on the back there. I've got a fun project for you next week. We'll kick off December with a Santa hat or a stocking cap, and it's going to use this technique. So if this is new to you, practice up a little bit, because you're going to need it. So you can see how it pushes these stitches to the front and creates that ridge. And you can imagine now, if I did multiple rows of this, that you'd have rows of these stitches all lined up like this. So it can make a pretty cool like band or cuff. So this is half double crochet in the third loop. And the back of it, if you're wondering, looks like this. You don't really see that so much. It looks pretty normal, kind of almost like single crochet, but not quite. And this is the front. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a quick one today. Don't forget to subscribe for all the latest tips, tricks, free patterns, etc. Happy crocheting!